Well, today's the day that Ann and I have the day off from doing hair and get to go visit our tattoo artist Taylor at her new shop, Good Nature. These kinds of days always start out with a good cup of coffee and catching up on my fave YouTube channels. Let's go.
Does that smell good?
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh.
Oh, I'm trying out numbing cream for the first time today. I've never tried it before. I got this off Amazon, had good reviews. I'm going to be applying now on one of my legs and see how it goes.
Wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
I'm in the back of my thigh tattoo today. So really, really thick layers.
Okay,
here we are. It is covered. Thick coat right below the butt cheek.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
We're ready for things.
oh,
Where you going?
I don't know. Always looks like we're moving in. Oh my god, Taylor's. Go. I'm filming. Yay!
So I would definitely say that I would use the numbing cream again. On my first leg, I would say the numbing cream was on the longest, so I was able to get through all the line work and maybe half of the shading. However, my second leg, I don't feel like the numbing cream was on that long, so it's pretty spicy. But all in all, I would use it again. It's totally worth it.
I know, I lived there for fucking like 10 years. I never did Grand. So we were supposed to do the Grand Canyon when we, on our drive up to move here, we were like gonna go through.
Showing that we're getting banh mi's acquired after tattoo sesh.